Okay, so today we're doing lattice multiplication by LSD. Today's problem is 746 times 338. Now let's get started with drawing our box. Okay, so first we're going to do a line about this big in the same size line for the other side. Now we're just going to make this even here, and then we're going to put our other line. Now we have to make this a 3x3 board, right? Because our numbers are 746 times 338, so that means 3 numbers. So what we're going to do is space our box into 3. So there we go. Then we're going to make, that's 3 spaces. That's 3 spaces for 746. Now we got to do 3 spaces for 338. Now one across, and then one right here. Now we're gonna add our biggest number on the top, 746, and then our lowest number on the bottom, 338. Now let's start to multiply. Okay, so first we're going to multiply the 6 from 746 times the first 3 in 338. So, we forgot to put our lines in our lattice box. So what we're going to do is, it doesn't matter what color we take, but we're going to do these lines right. We're going to make 5 lines, and that's our first one right there because we want to divide the boxes. So I'm going to draw my other lines here. And make sure you draw your lattice boxes correctly, because if you don't draw them correctly, you will get the wrong answer. So now let's do our multiplication. 6 times 3. What is 6 times 3? That is 18. So we're going to put our 1 right in this top box and our 8 in this bottom box. Now we're going to do the 3 times the 6 again, but it's going to be the second 3 this time, so we're going to rate it right below the 18. So what is 6 times 3? It's 18, right? Because we already said that. Now what's 6 times 8? We're going to rate that right below the second 18. 6 times 8 is 48, so we're going to put the 4 on the top, the 8 on the... Sorry, 8 on the bottom. Okay, so now we're going to start with the 4 this time in 746 times the 3, the first 3 in 338. So 4 times 3 is 12. So we're going to put the 1 on the 1 on the top, and the 2 on the bottom. Now we're going to do 4 times the other 3. We're going to put that answer below the 12 we just put down. So we just said it was 12, so we're going to put our 12 down. And now 4 times 8. 4 times 8 is 32. So 3 on the top, 2 on the bottom. Now we're going to do 7 times 3. The 7 in 746 in the first 3 in 338. So 7 times 3 is 21. So we're going to put the 2 on the top, the 1 on the bottom. Now 7 times the other 3, that's 21. So again, we're going to put 21. 2 on top, 1 on the bottom. Now 7 times 8. 7 times 8 is 56, so we're going to put the 5 on the top and the 6 on the bottom. Now to add them all up together. So you see our dark pink lines that are separating each box. So we're going to add it together from every column you see. So we're going to kind of put it diagonal, and we're not going to go up and down anymore. So 8, we're starting on the right side here. So we're going to ignore these numbers right here, right now. So what is 8 plus nothing? That's 8. So we're going to put our 8 down. Now we're going to do 4 plus 8 plus 2. First, do 4 plus 2. That is 6. Then add 8 to 6, and that is 14. So we're going to put our 4 down and carry our 1 over to where this 8 is. Now we're going to add this humongous column together. 6 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 8 plus 1. First, what we're going to do is add the ones together. That is 2. Then we're going to add the other 2 to that. That is 4. Then we're going to add the 3 to that. That is 7. Then we're going to add the 6 plus 8 and add that to 7. So what we just did was 6 plus 8, that is 14 plus 7. So let's add that together. That is 21. So we're going to put our 1 down and carry the 2. Okay, so now we're going to add 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2. That's a lot of 1s and 2s. So let's start with the 1s and 2s. So 2 plus 2 is 4, then add our 3 1s to that. That's 7. Then add 7 to 5. That is 12. So we're going to put our 2 down and carry our 1 over here. Now it's all 2s and 1s. 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Now add all the 1s together. That is 3 plus 2. That is 5, so we're going to put our 5 down. Now the 2 has nothing to add with, so that's just 2. Now we have to count our places to put our comma. Start from the 8 and go backwards. 1, 2, 3. So we're going to put our comma right there, and we're going to put our answer up on the line. I'm going to change my answer color to teal. Oh wait, that's the color of the paper, so let's do purple. 20, 2, comma, 1, 4, 8. So that is how to do lattice multiplication with bigger numbers. And your answer for this problem today is 252,148. Thanks for watching. Bye.